Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when I'm going to bed or getting up in the morning, I have a lot of needs.
And these two white nightstands by SZLHANJZ filled all those needs. It was not hard to put it together. I was able to install the lights, the outlet, all by myself. The 3 drawers are so spacious. They fit a good chunk of my hubby's and myself's clothes. The shelves for storage also have 2 hooks for glasses, eye masks. The main surface is ideal for charging my devices or even having my water by my side. You can store so much in the drawers. I like putting a heat pad in there, which is perfect with the outlet right there. The remote offers a huge selection of colors, and it also controls the light's brightness and timers. This is so useful for bedtime because the light is enough for seeing, getting around, and finishing up, getting ready for bed, and then can easily be turned off. In the morning, you have everything you need right there. You can turn on the light. I have my glasses, lotion, clothes, and everything I need for the new day.
It provides everything that we need when we're going to bed or getting up in the morning. The storage space was so helpful, but that's just my point of view.